Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making floral lace soap. Those pink colors are what I will be using in the soap today. And here I'm just going to add the lime water into the oils. These oils are organic coconut oil, organic responsibly sourced palm oil, organic olive oil, and castor oil. I'm just going to mix this together. And I'm just going to get this mixed before I add in the fragrance oil. This fragrance oil has a lot of florals in it, so I have to work quickly. This one has notes of rose, ylang ylang, jasmine, lily of the valley, and iris, and also has notes of vetiver, sandalwood, vanilla, amber, and patchouli. So it's a very complicated fragrance, but it smells really good. I'm going to also mix the fragrance oil in with that whisk before I divide it into two. I didn't want to over mix with the stick blender and risk having the batter accelerate on me. Alright, and I'm going to add in the light pink. And of course those little cups I use are biodegradable. And this little spatula is really handy for getting the colors out of the containers. And then here's the dark pink. I'm just going to stick blend this together and get those pinks mixed in really well. I think these two pinks provide a nice contrast. I'm just going to tap out some air bubbles. And then I'm going to do an in the pot swirl. So I am pouring the dark pink into the light pink. And again, I'm just going to tap out some of those air bubbles before I pour it into the mold here. And I'm just going to tap out some more of the bubbles and put on a pink shimmery top. Just going to drizzle that on. And then use this chopstick to swirl it. And here's how it looks close up. And here we are, a day or so later, to slice this up. You can see how pretty and shiny the top is. I think it looks like foil, it's really pretty. Just see how this first one looks, and it came out pretty nice. Got a nice contrast between the light and dark pink and the shiny top there. The soap smells really nice too. There's a little bit of that dark pink pigment there, but that's not a problem. And here's the last bar. And these are the last end pieces here. And of course, as usual, I will cut those up. If you'd like a bar of the soap, it'll be available January 1st in my shop. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.